I was able to refresh this 3MBP-15 nickel metal hydride battery. It's rated at about 6 volts, 8 amp hours. I'm using a smart charger from 3M, BC210. It's plugged into a charging base that is called a BC100. Here's the outlet from the charger. You can see in the picture that the negative is on the left, and then there's two positives, the bottom and the right. So from negative to positive A, which I have labeled, it's showing 4 volts, negative to positive B, it's showing 5 volts. On the battery, that means that the upper right is the negative, the lower is the positive, and the upper left is the other positive. The way that I refresh this battery with nickel metal hydride batteries, this one's about 17 years old. It was new old stock, so was the charger. Anyway, for entertainment purposes only, I used a 12 volt power sport battery. I hooked up the negative to this terminal, and then I hooked up 2 positives, one here and one here. I kept the negative hooked up. I touched the positives 5 times, each for a portion of a second. I got a tiny little spark here when it would touch, and I did that 5 times real carefully, and now I am able to charge this battery. Nice flashing green light, which shows that it is charging. The issue I was having before is I would plug it in and I would get a yellow light here, which means that it was in standby mode. After a while, I'm not exactly sure how long it took, but when I would check back, I would have a red light here. This green light stayed green the whole time. But now it is charging, and I'll be hooking it up to a 3M Breathe Easy Turbo shortly.